Hi, it's Rain Bracken here. In today's video, I want to talk about the real truth about passive income. Passive income is a term that's loosely been used in the internet marketing world, and it makes it sound like building an online business is super easy and fast. However, why is it so many people struggle? I know from myself, that's exactly what I went through for years and years. I tried so many different tactics or strategies to make money online, but I was getting absolutely nowhere. And now I realize where I was going wrong, but until you actually see where the problem is, it's hard to change. Before we dive right in, make sure you go check the link in the description. You can register for a free workshop, and it's going to explain to you exactly why you may not be succeeding online at the minute and how you can start your affiliate marketing business in the right and simple and safest way possible. Okay, what I'll be covering in this video is what passive income really means, why certain belief systems you may have about passive income will lead to failure, what it really takes to make money while you sleep, and finally I'm going to finish up with what I'm personally working on towards my goals of my online business. My interpretation of passive income is the ability to earn an income that requires little to no work, energy, time or effort to continue receiving a consistent income. Now, examples of this could be investing in stocks, you're a silent business partner, or maybe you inherit an asset. But then we have semi-passive income, and semi-passive income is achieved in the long term based on the work and time you put into it today. And examples could be blogging or YouTube like I'm doing, or creating your own digital products. So growing an online business should not be classed as passive income in my opinion. It really should be classed as semi-passive. Why certain beliefs you may have about passive income will lead to failure? Well, the term passive income results in beginners believing it's possible to make money fast with little to no work, which is simply not the case. And I personally believe that this is mostly due to marketing tactics selling the dream rather than selling you a legit solution to reach your dream. We see it time and time again on different sales pages, specifically in the Make Money Online niche, where they have outlandish claims of making very fast money very quickly. Like this one here, $150 per day with 100% free viral traffic. Start making your money fast within 24 hours or less. The type of strategies that you might have been sold on in the past to bypass the work or to get results very, very quickly. You might have tried solo ads or social media auto posting, maybe content scraping, buying fake views to get faster results. And then you realized it didn't work and you're back to square one and you're wondering why it didn't work. If you're struggling online and you're not making any sales and you can't figure out where you're going wrong, I want to do this quick diagram to illustrate where semi-passive income comes from. Now you'll see here I have no mention of solo ads, any sort of traffic whatsoever. I would highly recommend you start off with free traffic. But like I say, if you have the right foundations in place and you're creating content on whatever platform you choose, eventually sales are going to start happening. But this isn't going to be an overnight success and you are not going to be making $200 per day from the get-go. Which leads me on to what it really takes to make money while you sleep. Well, it really comes down to time. How much time can you devote to your business? And it's really you and you alone in the beginning. You're creating your content over time. And then once you start seeing regular sales or steady sales coming in, you may want to reinvest that into your business and maybe start outsourcing some of the tasks so that you can concentrate on creating more content. This is something that you may not like to hear, but unfortunately there is no way around it. There is no bypassing what it takes to grow an audience. It will take time. You will eventually start seeing results, and that's what motivates you to keep on going. You won't believe how far you'll go. It is really possible if you want it, but like I mentioned, it's going to take time, persistence, and not getting sidetracked by other opportunities that look shiny, and having realistic expectations of what it really takes and how long it takes, and it's having the belief in yourself that you can do it, because you can. Even as a complete beginner, you can make this work. If you have a half an hour today and then an hour tomorrow, as long as you make the small steps going forward, you're always going to be going forward. And don't ever quit. This is what I went through for years. I kept quitting before I even gave it a chance because I thought there was an easier way to make money. But there are no shortcuts to success, no matter how many times you hear it. Okay, so what am I working on towards my semi-passive income and what my realistic future goals are? I was struggling for years and I was getting absolutely nowhere, and I could not understand what I was doing wrong. I'm at the stage now where I am making some regular sales. Am I at passive level income stage? Absolutely not. But when I actually wake up in the morning, like they say, making money while you sleep, and you see an email like these coming through and that you're actually making money, it's a really good feeling. And to answer the question as to why I struggled for years and I couldn't figure out what I was doing wrong and where I was going wrong, to now building a business that's actually legitimate, the right foundations are in place, I know exactly where I'm going. It's like a big sigh of relief because you finally let go of the whole stressful situation of trying to figure it all out, having unrealistic expectations, because prior to starting my affiliate marketing business, I really genuinely believed I could be making $800 per day within the next 90 days, which is ridiculous now when I think about it. But back then, I really did think that was possible. So I strongly urge you that if you want to start a legitimate long-term business in the affiliate marketing space, go click that link in the description below and sign up for that free workshop. I promise you it is definitely worth your time. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on future videos just like this. Go check out the other videos on screen and I will catch you on the next video. Take care.